Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can download the Aviator Predictor app on your Android. At first, you want to head over to Google and then you want to search for Aviator Predictor app, and then you see this one, which is by aviatorpredict.com. You want to click on this, and then the first thing that says download, you want to click on this one. And then, as you can see, they're checking the country and information. Once it's done, you want to click on start and then go to next, next, and keep on tapping next until you are done with like 100%. So then you want to sign in with your Google account. So we'll do that very quickly. And then you want to click on sign up casino, and then basically you want to sign up for this one win thing. And once your registration has been completed, you want to click on confirm, and it will automatically start downloading the app for you. And this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.